In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can see your YouTube Recap 2025 here on the YouTube mobile app. Before we do dive into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. If you really just help with the channel and let us know that you want more content like this, we'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, what you're going to want to do is go ahead and open up that YouTube mobile app. And once you do open up that YouTube mobile app, down at the very bottom, go ahead and select you. And if you're not signed into your account, go ahead and sign into your account. But if you are signed into your account, you're going to see the option for your YouTube 2025 recap right here. Simply go ahead and select it, and it's going to immediately load your YouTube 2025 recap. That being said, if it's not showing up for you, what you're going to want to do is back out of this and open up a web browser of your choice and go to youtube.com/recap and hit enter. From here, you'll see this little pop-up. Simply go ahead and hit open YouTube and then open this page in YouTube again, and you will now load into your YouTube recap again. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.